Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see who added you without paying on the Yubo app. Now if you want to see who added you on Yubo app without paying, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on device. So if you have not installed the Yubo app, then you may simply install it from the App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that you just need to open the Yubo app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Yubo, where you will see various options at the very bottom taskbar, as well as the option which says swipe and near at the very upper taskbar. Now to see without paying on the Yubo app, you just need to click on the option of love like icon at the very bottom right, and here you will see the reactions which people have sent you. So if you click on the option of Thunderbird like this, you'll see the option which says added you or viewed you. Now if you want to see who have added you or viewed you on the Yubo app, you just need to go on the explore page, and here you will see the number of people who have viewed you or added you. So you may also simply swipe left or right. So if you go back on the activity center again, you just need to match the background of the profile which are shown on the explore page, and you just need to swipe right to the person you think that is the person who have added you, and you will be able to see it without paying on the Yubo app. So that's it. That's how you can see without paying on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.